So our pieces of wood has been cut down to its final size. And now it's time to move to the oiling process of this project. And our go-to oil and one of our favorite oils we like using is called RUBIO Monocoat. We basically use this oil for all our furniture that goes out of our shop. Now for this specific project we're going to use the hybrid wood protector. It's specifically designed for furniture outdoors that's going to be exposed to rain, sun, wind, water, cold, all those elements. And remember, this is a mobile barbecue stand that's going to be underneath a patio. And we want to protect our wood the best we can. So before we even think of starting to oil our project, we need to start at the beginning. We need to start where you're going to sand your pieces of wood down. Now, RUBIO Monocoat recommends that you sand your piece of wood down to 180 grit because this oil is designed to penetrate much better into the wood when you sand to 180 grit. That is critical. So now moving to the next step, and a big mistake I see from almost all the woodworkers is they don't clean their wood before they start oiling. That is very critical. Now RUBIO Monocoat has got a specialized cleaner out, and we use this on everything before we even think of oiling our projects. It basically removes all the last grease marks and dirt particles from your wood because you actually want your oil to be applied on a clean piece of wood. Now once you're done cleaning your piece of wood, it's very easy to apply your cleaner to your wood. You just use a normal cloth and you wipe it down, you leave it until it dries. And now we're going to move to the next step. So for this specific project, we are going to use the pre-aging color range from RUBIO Monocoat. They've got 10 different colors in this range, and we have done a ton of samples for our client so they can pick and choose from. That's going with the look and feel and theme they've got going in their house. Now the color our client went with was the pre-aging color Authentic number 2. It's an absolute beautiful color, and you will see by the end of this project how beautiful everything came out. Now applying your pre-aging color to your wood, you get your applicator sponge from RUBIO Monocoat, and you just apply the pre-aging color in the direction of the grain of the wood. You leave it to dry, and then we're going to move to the oiling process of this project. Now, like I mentioned, we're using the hybrid wood protector for outdoor usage. Applying your hybrid wood protector, you get your applicator sponge from RUBIO Monocoat, and you have to add 10% of accelerator to your oil just to make the oil dries faster, and you don't have to wait that long for your oil to penetrate best in the wood. Now once you apply your oil, you're going to wait around about 10 to 15 minutes, then you're going to come and wipe it off with a clean cloth. The Woodred High Protector Pure, and the reason we're choosing Pure is that we wanted to retain the pre-aging stain color underneath, but also protect the surface with oil. That is very, very critical. So once you are done wiping off your RUBIO Monocoat from your project, it is critical that the physical cloth you're using to wipe that oil off has got linseed oil on. Now, there's a chemical reaction that takes place. When you leave your cloth in a bowl like this and put it in a dustbin where all the dust particles and your offcut of wood and everything goes into, this cloth actually gets hot and it can take flame. So it's critical to dunk this in a bucket of water and leave it there. That is critical. If you guys are interested in any of these products, I am going to leave a link down in the description where you can find everything we use. let me teach you the word of today. So internationally, when you fry meat on an open flame, they call it a barbecue. Where I'm from in South Africa, we call it a braai. Ons gaan nou braai. Say it with me. Ons gaan nou braai. If you understood what I said, spam me in the comments down below. Ons gaan nou braai. Anyway, let me give you a quick update on the process of our mobile barbecue braai stand. We already received the steel frame from our powder coating company, and almost all our wood has been stained and oiled with RUBIO monocoat. Just to give you a quick layout on the bar I've got in mind. This side, you will have your two drawers coming out. You'll have your cutting board, your knives and forks. Down at the bottom, you'll have two doors where you can store your pots and your pans, your saucepans and so forth. In the middle, you'll have your gas braaier / pizza oven / rotisserie if you want to make a chicken or lamb or whatever the case may be. In the center at the bottom will just be open space. On the left hand side, your right hand side of the bar, you'll have your gas bottle connected to your gas braai, and on the far left you'll have two shelves just for some additional storage. But without any further delay, let's continue cladding this bad boy. Let me show you the custom braai stand we built for one of our clients. Come, let me show you. So this mobile braai unit we custom designed for one of our clients. It's built to specific specifications to suit the client's need. And let's talk quickly about the unit itself. The steel work is sent in for powder coating because it might be exposed to the outside elements. The specific wood species we went with is called okumi. It's a solid wood and it's also a very good wood for outside furniture. The wood has been treated with a pre-aging RUBIO monocoat authentic color number 2. On top of that, we treated the wood with a RUBIO monocoat hybrid wood protector, because that's the perfect oil if you're going to use furniture on the outside that's going to be exposed to the outside elements. For the top, we went with a 20mm granite. It's very durable and long term, it's the best investment rather to go with a wooden top. Now, on both sides, we have drop-in ice buckets, which is obviously used for drinks over the weekend or whatever the case may be. Or what you can do is you take out your custom craft house chopping board and you can chop all your vegetables, your meat or whatever the case may be, and you can use the drop-in ice bucket as a dustbin. So let's talk about the center of attention. We get to our Alpha 4 gas burner braai unit. We chose this unit for a specific reason because it's got multiple functions. Not only can you fry your meat, but you can actually use this as a rotisserie if you want to make a lamb over the weekend, or you can use this as a pizza oven if you want to make some pizzas. And you can also use this for breakfast if you want to make breakfast in the morning for your family. This is the perfect unit for an outside gas braai stand. So the gas braai is already connected to the gas bottle on the inside, which can be removed easily, and on the other side you have some pizza goodies which you can use making your pizza. And there's a lot of other spaces for some other goodies you want to add. At the bottom of our unit you have your braai grid, which I specifically chose this make for a reason, because you can fold it up and you can pop it in your dishwasher. On the other side we have two drawers, which you see hasn't got any handles, because this is a push open drawer which is super fancy and super luxurious. So on the inside you have your braai gloves, you have your special chef mess, you have your pizza cutter and your wine and bottle opener. On the bottom shelf, you have some extra braai goodies, your braai tongs, you have your pizza roller with a spatula and a fork. At the bottom, you have your famous braai bak. You have your rotisserie at the back, and you have a curry potjie if you want to make curry. So we specifically designed this unit for our custom with specific specification. Let me know what you guys think of this unit. Let me know in the comments down below. Until the next project. Cheers.